Alright guys, welcome back to the Adventure Seeker YouTube channel. I'm Pete.
I'm Camilla.
And we're going to give you a little bit of a channel update, run you through what's been happening in the Adventure Seeker world. So get comfy, have a snack, do whatever you got to do, and here we go.
So first things first, if you haven't watched it already, we have unleashed a Mario Karting experience in Tokyo. So have a look, click on it, watch it. We think you'll enjoy it. It's a few sneaky little crashes in there and all sorts of adventures.
Crashes.
Maybe more just one, but you know, sounds more exciting that way, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. A few little crashes. Well, there was one big crash.
There was some mini micro crashes.
But you got to watch the video to see that, so yeah. Anyway, so basically we're going to tell you why I haven't been filming for a few years.
Why, Peter? Why? Why haven't you been filming?
Well, Camilla, I went on a trip up north with my mate Dan, and on that trip I had the triumph of catching my first Marlin. But I had...
Not bad.
It was pretty cool, but I had some really big lowlights as well. So I lost a drone, a phone, and 2 surfboards, all in 3 days. It was about $6,000 worth of gear in a very short space of time. And then about 6 months later, my computer died. So my computer died, and I was filming for a golf company in Perth here, and all of a sudden I stopped doing that. So it seemed like it was time to just park the Adventure Seeker content for a little while and have a bit of a spell, but we are back now.
We are back. So fast forward to 2023, and we met through a mutual friend, and ever since we met we have been jumping out of planes, bogging cars on camping trips, and doing all things adventure. Yeah,
it's been awesome. So our most recent trip to Japan, we've got content from those places coming up. So we went to a place called Nikko, which is a couple of hours out of Tokyo. We went to the best breakfast spot in Tokyo. We went to watch the sumo wrestlers train. What else did we do? Then we shot down to Hiroshima. Yep. And then we went to Miyajima Island.
Did a hike, saw the deer.
It was a wicked hike.
It was a wicked hike. It was pretty intense, but it was beautiful from the top.
It was. Had a lovely outlook over the city. We got like the clearest day, so that was cool. Definitely stay tuned for that one. And then we checked out some of the more sombering sites in Hiroshima from the like atomic peace memorial
the ruins,
stuff, which was also super interesting. But from that point there, we then shot up to Hokkaido and went to Niseko, and
we saw the knee-deep snow.
Shredded the pow-pow.
Shredded the pow. Went and got our Johnsons in the onsen. Well, your Johnson in the onsen. I do not have a Johnson, but
yeah, I definitely got my Johnson in the onsen.
My equivalent went in the ocean, onsen.
Yeah, it was cold in the ocean up there in Hokkaido, that's for sure.
Definitely didn't get myself in that ocean, but other than that, we went to Bali after that, and we did a little bit of a different way to travel and explore Bali. So we look forward to showing you what we did there, and see what your response is to this modern take on travel.
Yes.
Bali with a twist.
So wait a couple of months and that one will come out. Yeah, it was definitely a different thing for us to both experience traveling in that particular way, but we'll see how you guys respond, and that one will come out in a couple of months' time.
So if you want to see more of our content flow to your feed, make sure you like and subscribe, and we look forward to showing you more adventures. The other thing that we did not mention yet is we are going to Europe in June, July. So we'll be doing a European summer, exploring France, Italy, Greece. We are going to be going all around, possibly fitting in a little bit of a hike in Italy, and we can't wait to show you our adventures there.
Possibly, 100%.
100% we will do a hike in
definitely
Italy.
Go.
It's happening.
It's happening. All right, guys. Anyway, well, that is the channel update from us here. We look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, keep chasing adventure, guys. We'll see you later.
See you next time.
Catch ya.